gonna be my first vlog in English as requested by my friend Eric. And we're back in Bethesda, gonna get Patango again with Rachel. And I'm gonna try and get those Georgetown cupcakes, and hopefully I get them before they close at 6 p.m. If you're wondering why I'm wearing a hat, it's because I'm trying to look inconspicuous in case I run into one of my 40 subscribers here. You know, I just don't want them to see me or recognize me. I'm just kidding. The flavor I got was Fior di Latte. It really just tastes like sweet milk. I guess a good description. Hi! Pro football player, right? So what are the flavors in your Patango?
This is pistachio and this is milk tea.
Ooh, how do you like it?
Pretty good. 9 out of 10.
Nice. So I was supposed to get Georgetown cupcakes because I went there last time and it was closed, and I completely forgot about it. And now I'm home. It is Saturday now, so we're in Kentland's getting Doghouse. If you download the Doghouse app by July 22nd, you could have gotten a free house dog on the house, so that's what I'm gonna do.
So what's in the SoCal?
Arugula, tomatoes, and the fried salad. How is it?
Jalapeno. Pineapple express. Not like the weed, but same feeling, the same high. It's good. Bacon wrapped, so like, and the sauce, they weren't wrong. Like barbecue, another sauce, bolognese, tastes like a Thousand Island, but it's a good mix.
Rating?
Doghouse. Rating? I'd give it a 9, dude.
Nice.
It's pretty freaking bomb. Jalapeno's good.
What's yours called, Lorenz?
T-Mex? That's probably Tex-Mex kind of thing.
Tex-Mex, yeah.
What's in it?
Hot dog.
What's your rating?
Maybe 9. It's really good.
Yeah.
What about the sweet potato fries?
I like them. They're crispy. They're crispy boys.
For this process, you first pick out the flavors of your gelato sticks. Then you can go ahead and pick out your dipping sauce, which you can choose between white chocolate, strawberry, or hazelnut, vegan, or dark chocolate. Since I chose raspberry for mine, I decided to go with hazelnut chocolate for my dipping sauce. As for my toppings, I decided to go with white chocolate chips, crushed Oreos, and dried raspberry. Clean clean guys. อุ้ยหกหมดเลยขาดเลยมั้ง
Try this one. Let's see, is it good? It's
That
good.
was raspberry and chocolate hazelnut.
You're right, it's worth it.
Yummy.
I don't know. That was a good combination. You know, when I said strawberry, she gave me this look like, did you just say strawberry? It's actually really good. That's a good one, right?
Now the raspberry with the chocolate is really good. It cuts it. It's like sweet and sour.
You ever had like raspberry covered in dark chocolate? That's what that one reminds me of.
Yeah. Fresh out of the kitchen.
Nice.
We're about to have our last meal for Saturday, and it's gonna be from BBQ Chicken and Beer. If you guys haven't watched Crash Landing on You, it's a really popular fried chicken place. I used to think Bonchon was probably the best Korean fried chicken, but now I've changed my mind because of BBQ Chicken and Beer. And the flavors we have here are wings of fire and honey garlic. I like that a lot more than soy garlic here for some reason. I don't know why. Maybe it's sweeter, but I love it. So if you guys haven't tried BBQ Chicken and Beer, go out there. Say hello to my friend Gabby.
Hi!
She just finished her GREs today!
And I did so bad. So this is a celebration and me prepping myself because I'm gonna take it next month again. I'm gonna take my first bite.
Yeah. Take it, take it, take it. Yeah.
Really good.
Better than Bonchon?
It's like the same as Bonchon.
Really?
Yeah, I think so. Because that's really good. It's still crispy.
Yeah. They fry it with olive oil? Oil, I think.
Wow.
The extra glaze definitely makes it a little bit spicier.
Oh, so that is spicy.
Mm-hmm. Oh well.
Oh, that spice is really freaking good. That's so good.
It's a really good spicy. It's not the killer spicy where it just kills you. There's no flavor.
It's more flavorful than Bonchon spicy.
Mm-hmm. Gabby is about to give us a real-time GRE question.
Let's see. Okay. Alright, so you have two quantities, A or B. Quantity A, circumference of a circle with a radius of 3. Or quantity B, perimeter of a square with each side equal to 4. Wait, that's so easy. Wait, that's not that's not an accurate representation of the difficulty of these tests. Do you know the circumference of the circle? Do you know the equation?
No. Oh, 2 pi r.
Yeah.
I am 2 wings into the wings of fire, and the extra glaze definitely makes it so spicy. And even though I'm Thai, I cannot handle spicy very well at all. Like, my nose is running. That's so spicy. I'm gonna try the code blue at Woo Boy Hot Chicken next week. I'm about to die. We're about to watch Hamilton, so that's it for the Saturday vlog. Bye!
Bye!
See you guys tomorrow! Today is going to be my last day of the weekend vlog. It is now Sunday and I'm here at Pike and Rose with Tina. Hello! Hi! We're about to eat some snow cream, but we've also brought our own topping wafers. Last time they didn't give us enough.
Wait, we got boba and coffee jelly. And green tea.
Green tea.
Green tea and milk.
Yeah, and milk.
And milk tea.
Yeah.
Delish. Put the frosted flakes in.
So funny. So Asian.
Ooh. It's called maximizing our enjoyment.
I like how their green tea isn't matcha green tea, but it's more Japanese.
Probably why they list it as green tea instead of matcha.
Wow! สวยมากค่ะวันนี้ อนนี้ก็มารอเข้าร้าน West M นะคะ เบื่อไม่มีอะไรทำก็เลยจะมาเดินดูเฟอร์นิเจอร์
We're only kind of taking appointments now, so we're just kind of waiting. But
We were finally able to come into the store. It is a touchless experience, so we can't really touch anything in here, but everything is so nice. Hi, Tina.
hi, I love the stuff here, but it's so freaking pricey. I can't afford anything, but I like looking at it.
Picture time! จบกันแล้วกับการกินขนมเดินเล่นถ่ายรูปกันนะคะ แล้วตอนนี้เราก็กำลังจะกลับบ้านแล้ว ทีน่ายังนั่งอยู่ในรถอยู่เลยค่ะ บ๊ายบาย แล้วเดี๋ยวไปเจอกันที่สวนทานตะวันต่อค่ะ We're here.
I'm sweating. I'm not even moving.
Hi. Okay. So pretty.
On your head.
Were you recording so humid.
So hot. So I become.
Time to maneuver myself out of this sunflower garden. Wow, she tied her own hair with her hair.
Bro.
On a scale of 1 to 10 here, how hot is it right now?
20.
Definitely 20. The sun is about to go down, so that's it for my weekend vlog. If you like this video, please feel free to like, leave a comment, or subscribe to my channel. Bye!
Want to go farther?
You want that meat?